Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Fiverr disabled account. If your account has been disabled and you need to get it back, following these steps will help you reach out to Fiverr support properly and increase your chances of account recovery. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the homepage loads, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find various footer links. Look for and click on Help Center. This is where Fiverr provides all their support documentation and assistance options. In the Help Center, you'll see different categories of topics. Under the section labeled Account and Settings and Security, click on Accessing My Account. This category deals with all account access related issues, which is exactly what we need for a disabled account situation. Next, click on Disabled Accounts. This will take you to a dedicated page that explains Fiverr's policies and procedures regarding disabled accounts. This is an important step because it gives you context about why accounts get disabled and what options are available. Now read through the section about account access problems carefully. You'll notice that Fiverr specifically requires disabled users to contact support from their registered email address. This is a critical requirement, so make sure you use the same email that was associated with your Fiverr account when you reach out to them. Once you've reviewed that information, add a new tab in your browser and go to your email. Open your email provider and click on Compose to start a new message. This is where you'll craft your support request to Fiverr. In the To field, type support@fiverr.com. Make sure you spell it correctly to ensure your message reaches the right department. For the subject line, type something short and clear like Request to reactivate my disabled Fiverr account. A clear subject line helps support staff understand your issue immediately and route your request to the right team. In the message body, include your Fiverr username or full name, plus the email address that was registered on the disabled account. This information helps Fiverr support quickly locate your account in their system and verify your identity. Keep your message professional and concise, explaining briefly why you believe your account was disabled and that you'd like to request reactivation. Once you've written your message and double-checked all the details, click Send. Your request will now be submitted to Fiverr support, and they'll review your case and respond to your registered email address. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a request to recover your disabled Fiverr account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.